what if I told you that the car sitting in front of you right now was never supposed to exist? That Chrysler quietly went back to the drawing board, threw out everything that was safe, and built something that genuinely makes you question why every other American luxury sedan feels like it was designed by a committee. Because that is exactly what happened with the all-new 2026 Chrysler 300C, and once you see what they have done, there is no going back. Welcome back to Premium Automotive Reviews, where we do not just talk about cars, we break them down the way they deserve to be broken down. No fluff, no spec sheet recitation, just honest, passionate storytelling about machines that actually matter. And right now, this one matters more than most people realize. So stay with me, because what this car is doing underneath its skin is the part nobody is talking about yet. Let us start where your eyes go first. The exterior of this 300C is not an evolution. It is a statement. That deep, volcanic crimson finish does not just catch light. It seems to hold it, the way liquid metal would. The silhouette stays faithful to the 300's iconic upright presence, that broad-shouldered, unapologetically bold stance that made the original a cultural moment. But Chrysler has sculpted this generation with a sharpness that turns every curve into something intentional. The front fascia now carries a wide honeycomb grille framed in chrome and shadow, flanked by projector-focused LED headlamps with a sequential daytime running light signature that is genuinely unlike anything in its class. You notice it immediately, and you keep noticing it. The hood rises with a subtle power bulge, not aggressive for the sake of aggression, but shaped with aerodynamic purpose. Carbon fiber appears at the front splitter, the side skirts, the rear diffuser, and the decklid spoiler, giving this sedan a track-bred vocabulary while never sacrificing its luxury identity. The multi-spoke alloy wheels carry that same duality. Wide, low-profile tires wrapping massive brake hardware that sits behind each rim in a way that makes you slow down just to look. The rear of this car is pure theater. 4 exhaust outlets, a carbon diffuser framed beneath a squared-off lower valance, and sequential LED taillights that sweep outward with a precision that makes the competition look dated. Now step inside, and the transformation is even more striking. The cabin of the 2026 300C is built around a philosophy that says luxury should feel earned, not borrowed. Every surface you touch is either genuine leather, real carbon fiber, or soft-touch materials that do not pretend to be something they are not. The deep red leather that wraps the seats, quilted with a diamond pattern and embossed with the Chrysler wing logo, creates an interior that feels closer to a private jet than a production sedan. There is an emotional weight to the craftsmanship here that you simply cannot photograph. You have to sit in it. The driver's environment has been completely redesigned. A curved digital instrument cluster sweeps across the dash, feeding the driver real-time information through crisp, high-resolution displays that adapt to driving mode. The centerpiece is a large, portrait-oriented infotainment touchscreen, flanked by carbon fiber trim and a traditional analog clock. A deliberate choice that anchors this modern interior to something timeless. The interface itself is fast, responsive, and built around an AI-driven ecosystem that learns your preferences, anticipates your needs, and integrates your digital life without demanding your attention while driving. Over-the-air software updates mean this system gets smarter the longer you own the car. Ambient lighting threads through the cabin in deep reds and cool whites, adjustable to your mood, while the rear seats offer their own control panel embedded into a folding center armrest, because this 300C is not just a driver's car. It is a statement about how the person in the back seat deserves to feel just as important as the person behind the wheel. Under the hood, Chrysler has not abandoned what made this nameplate legendary. The powertrain in this generation delivers output that sits well above what the segment expects, channeled through a refined automatic transmission that makes power delivery feel seamless and composed. The suspension has been retuned to carry both comfort and confidence, absorbing imperfections on the highway while remaining planted and communicative when the road tightens. This is a car that rewards committed driving without punishing daily use. Chrysler has also integrated mild hired assistance into the drivetrain, improving efficiency without diluting the character that 300C owners have always demanded. The safety architecture here is forward-looking in the truest sense. Adaptive cruise with lane centering, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking. These systems work together with a naturalness that makes them feel less like features and more like extensions of your own awareness. The car watches the road so you can enjoy it. And that, really, is the point. The 2026 Chrysler 300C is built for the person who refuses to choose between presence and performance, between luxury and soul. It is for the driver who wants to arrive somewhere and have the car do the talking before they even open the door. In a market crowded with safe choices, this is a car that dares to be memorable and earns every second of the attention it demands. This is not just a next-generation vehicle. This is Chrysler reminding the world that American luxury has a heartbeat. And right now, it is beating louder than it has in years. If this breakdown gave you something valuable, let us know in the comments what you want us to dig into next. Like the video, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe to Premium Automotive Reviews, because we are just getting started.